It's all my fault. If I hadn't fallen asleep. Lisa, can you ever forgive me?
That's enough. Stop this. It is not your fault. Bill and the professor will find them, and then...
And on the fourth fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The balloon.
Chuck! Where are you going?
Left. Oh, we got it. I believe this dance is mine.
What was that?
I thought I heard Charles' voice.
Anna, stop. Please.
Charles! Charles! What? Stella! Where are you? Stop! So sorry. I can't stay for dinner. Take that, you salty suckers! Stupid.
Bye. What are you doing? I'm using my brain. For once.
Wait! Wait! Come back, you stupid! I'm sufficiently intelligent to kill you if you don't stop bothering me. So what? Any bro can do that. But can you tell me what the square root of 6,561 is? 300 divided by 40 minus 3 is... 81. Yeah, but do you know what happens if an object travels at the speed of light? It turns into pure energy. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Depends on the relative amount of molecules in the universe. What happens to if he drinks too much antidote? It becomes human.
Can a human breathe underwater?
Of course not.
You fool! Why are you going into the law? No, 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 yeah, no, yeah, no, go into the law.